Hi everyone, my name is Samson Bimbo Adenugba. I am an artist from Nigeria, and I am standing right now at the Emancipation Park, which is the first park in Houston, Texas. And today I'm standing in front of WIN, which is one of the 4 monuments that is used to represent or to celebrate the 4 African Americans that are this dream. And today I am a privileged son of the soil, if I would say that, African, to join with my with them to celebrate. It's like a relay race, and I join my hand with them to live the future that they dreamt of. I like wind particularly because the wind gives you the liberty to fly, the liberty to become whosoever you want to be. And I invite you, if you have never been to the Emancipation Park, I invite you to come, have a glimpse of it, experience it, feel it. And if you cannot even come physically, go to our website and check it out, and you can have a virtual run of the entire monument, and also the space and the feeling that you get in it. Have that experience, check it out, and you will never regret it. Thank you.